Hi guys, this is Kevin with another one of my how-to videos. Today we got a little special treat. We're going to do kind of a how-to on our brand new truck. As you guys know, we ended up getting this Super Duty F350 dually truck. So today we are going to install a bed cover. So stay tuned and come along with the ride as we do how to install this bed cover on this F350 truck. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I ordered this from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description down below. So you can see it was actually a pretty decent price, but it definitely come in a big long box. Any directions? The TruXport, the bed cover. This is the TruXport. So I'll put the description in down below. Let's see, it's supposed to be pretty easy to install. I think they say it takes like 20 minutes or something, 30 minutes, so we'll see if that holds true. First thing you want to do is go ahead and make sure that you got all the parts. There's nothing worse than in the middle of trying to get it installed and you get partially through it and then kind of find out you're missing some parts. So we've been there, done that, haven't we, Kim? Mm-hmm. In the kit, it's got a couple rails. Make sure they didn't jip us, that they gave us the 8-foot rails, which it looks like. Got the roll cover. Looks like 6 of the clamps. Clamp it down. Looks like some more sealant or foam that goes across the bed top. And some more pads. Alright. So it looks like we have everything, the parts that we need. The first thing you need to do, if it has a bulkhead seal, which this is your bulkhead seal, we need to make sure we clean the top of the bulkhead. So they're talking about cleaning up across here. It says if you have a drop-in bed liner, it usually sticks up and kind of goes over, so you really don't have to worry about it. Since this is a spray-in bed liner, there's a little bit of a height difference between the top rail and where this bulkhead goes. So this is the surface that we're going to put this on. This will actually give a good seal, weather type seal going across all this. Depending on what kind of truck or that you have, if it's a straight bulkhead that it does not have a liner or anything in, you may have to put a bulkhead seal that goes across. However, it also has instructions kits with the bed liner or spray-in liner. Since we have a spray-in liner, then we just do the top mount of the application. Does that make sense?
I'm proud of you for reading instructions.
I know.
Be honest, guys, how many of you don't read instructions? And then you regret it later.
It says to trim off any excess that hangs over. So now the seal is all across here, so it actually gives a thicker seal. This is necessary to raise that gap up, so that way it does create that watertight seal is what you need. These are going to go right here on the corner. This needs to go. Okay, slide the whole rail towards me. So we'll have to square it up. All right. Step 6, evenly space the clamps. All right, so it's showing that you'll actually put them in
Like this?
with the screw side, so they'll go just like this in there. So you'll probably have to come up from the bottom, from the inside. It looks like we're going to take them out pretty much almost all the way.
Okay.
So run them out all the way.
Like, just put it anywhere?
Well, what we'll do is we'll put it close to the end. You can probably go 6 inches off the end or something.
Like, over here? Father? Like over here?
Yeah.
Right here. So maybe your position is bad. This one right here needs to move.
Yep. Can you unscrew it? Good call, Tink.
Well, I saw
Good
it.
job, guys.
And that was the first one I put it in the right spot. Like, why would it stick out so far out?
Yeah, I know. Good call. All right, so we need to make sure that the rails are aligned before we tighten anything down.
It's gonna fall.
So now we need to unroll this.
Okay. Are you sure that's what?
To where that way this rail is on top of this.
On top of what? Yes. Let me see if it works. Are you delicate?
Okay, now what's our next?
Next step
Grab it,
is,
just keep it. Just keep it.
now we need to go ahead and unroll this. Now your other little pads that's left in the kit, we need to put those on. Go on right here in the corner. Just like so.
Crap, this thing's sweet. This is better than the other one.
My other one at one time looked sweet like this.
It's sharp.
All right, and that's it. There's no need to adjust the cover tension. The latch assembly is already factory set to the correct tension. Okay,
Brand.
so it says preset tension control. It says there's no need to adjust the tension.
Yeah, it's
Any modifications done to the latch will void the warranty. That's good to know.
Whoa.
All right, now we'll test our tailgate.
Wait, so the pull really came with it?
And a nice seal. All right, so that's pretty much it for the TruXport cover. Sorry for a little bit of lighting; it got a little dark on me. So I hope really you could probably do it in about 30 minutes if I didn't pause, stop doing. Yeah, this could probably really be done in probably less than 30 minutes. Pretty easy install. I think it's pretty much anybody can tackle it. Pretty simple instructions. I will continue to put the link in the description below. Like always, if you continue to like us doing these videos, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Once again, it's another great video from Kevin at KKOA. All right.